Hello friends, I am Ridoy back with another video, and today I am gonna show you the quick unboxing and looks of. Here I open this one. You can see this one. The box itself come out. There is nothing, and this is the phone itself, Samsung Galaxy On7. This is the 5.5-inch phone with the 1.5 GB RAM and dual SIM with dedicated SD card slot. That's why I ordered this one. You will get a large 8 display, 30 megapixel back camera with 5 megapixel front camera, 3000 mAh battery, and 1.2 GHz quad-core Snapdragon something processor, and 8 GB inbuilt. This is the very negative part of this phone. This is the thus only 8 GB inbuilt. You will get this one. Indian SIM card only. What is the offers? I ordered the black one because I didn't get this one. Maximum price, you can see this 8490. I don't know, but Flipkart showing the maximum price 10,000. But month and year manufactured September 2016. This is the current version. This is a very old model. I got in offer 7,000. This is a very cheap, and you will get a Redmi 4. But I didn't get this one due to offer and flash sale. I think this is out of stock for 2G version. That's why I ordered this one. So I have to cut this one. Okay, here we will get your box itself. Here is the phone. There is no protection in the screen maybe. Here I will side this one. I will actually get in the box inside. There is some quick start guide, a normal headphone, charger cum data cable. This is the charger, and this is a normal charger. That is 1 ampere charger. So you can see this one, and this is a made in India product. You can see this and card. This is the phone come out. You can see this, the phone itself, how it looks. Phone looks good because of the side this metal finish. You can see this one. Up this one. Okay. I will open up this too. Yep. Okay, the massive 5.5-inch full HD display. You can see this one, and I will put up the battery. Now you can see this. So here you can see this, the phone itself. I will put the battery inside this one. You can see this, and you can see this one, SIM 2, SIM on a micro SD card. So this is the good one. Okay, I have to put up the camera also. Here I boot up the phone. First boot up, you can see this Android Samsung Galaxy On7. I will give you the physical overview. You will get the left side power button and volume button. Rockers. On the right side you will get the power button, and front side nothing else, and Qualcomm inside 4G. You can see this one, and the back side you will get charging port and 3.5mm jack, and secondary noise cancellation microphone, and back side you will get a 13 megapixel camera with flash and speaker also. The front you will get the proximity sensor and a front camera 5 megapixel. And here is the phone. First boot up, you can see this, the display looks good, and viewing angle is also good according to the PPI. This is a 267 PPI is also present. And go to the settings, how much inbuilt memory you will get this one, because of out of 8 GB there is a 5 GB available is 3.1 GB. This is a very bad option. You can't use this one. So I'll put the depth review regarding this one. I will move to the camera interface of this. You can see this. The camera interface, you can see this. Shutter speed is good and fast also. can see this. The camera performance is very bad, I must say. There's nothing good in the camera also, according to 13 years Samsung camera. So if you want to buy this product, I will put the product buying links in the description section. You can use these links to buy this product and help me to do more social causes regarding humanities and animal purposes. If you like this video, you can also like the button. If you did not like the video, you can also dislike the video button also. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, bye bye, catch you soon in my next session.